Over the past 18 months, greenhouse gas emissions across the energy value chain have come sharply into focus. Estimating emissions alone is no longer enough, and operators are quickly adopting technology to act on operational emissions and generate measurement-informed inventories. The reality is, there's no one-size-fits-all solution for monitoring emissions. From satellites, flyovers, and drones, to handheld OGI and fixed-point continuous monitoring devices, each technology tells a different part of the story. As a technology-inclusive platform, we meet operators wherever they are in their emissions journey, aggregating and characterizing multiple data sources to build a clear and comprehensive emissions profile. Characterization is critical to getting the most from existing devices and understanding how different variables impact data quality. Our cloud-based dashboard consolidates and visualizes all your measurement data in one place, providing actionable insights from equipment-level emissions to a full, company-wide carbon intensity. Our sophisticated continuous monitoring devices are designed for today's environment, where speed to detection is more critical than ever. Canary's accurate, real-time data and intelligent alerting help you prioritize and mitigate leaks faster. And we combine high-fidelity data with physics-based modeling to quantify individual events and total site emissions, all supported by rigorous testing with leading third-party institutions. Our dedicated business intelligence team guides you through the data, identifies the most volatile sites, and analyzes root causes to avoid future emissions, all to help allocate your resources effectively. And our reporting tools help companies showcase emissions reductions and communicate essential information to stakeholders. Visit our website to learn how we partner with over 60 operators across the energy value chain to understand and act to reduce emissions. Project Canary. Measure it.